Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Today I'll show you in this video very attractive and stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye and many much more stylish ideas. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. Some ideas spiky hairstyles, so beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. Different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and so beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. And many much more beautiful collection ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.